In order to maintain our standard of living, Europe's citizens and companies need a secure supply of energy at affordable prices. At the same time, the negative effects of energy use on the environment, particularly our carbon footprint, must be reduced. The European Union's plan is to substitute imported fossil fuels with local, CO2-neutral energy. In 2020, the EU expects that 65% of all electricity production will come from solar cells, wind, and nuclear energy. In addition, the EU has also identified the need to reduce overall energy consumption. Buildings account for around 40% of the European Union's total energy use and represent Europe's largest source of CO2 emissions. Improving their energy performance is a particularly critical step in reducing the EU's carbon footprint. Today, energy performance in new houses has been dramatically improved. In Denmark, new homes have achieved a 70% improvement compared to the average energy performance of existing houses. Similarly, the energy performance of vehicles has also improved, and the EU expects that electric engines will partly, or even fully, replace gasoline and diesel engines. This means that low heat demand and increased use of electric products makes solar cells relevant as a primary source of generating electricity. The combination of electric floor heating and solar cells provide an electrically heated house that has the necessary energy performance to fulfill the requirements of the EU Building Performance Directive. And, when compared with other heating systems, this solution is cost-effective and easily installed. As with any energy-efficient building planned for future construction, additional insulation will play a key role in the electric house, as will super-insulated windows and doors, and heat recovery ventilation, as the extremely well-insulated house needs to breathe in order to provide a comfortable indoor climate and fresh air. On the outside of the house, solar cells are integrated into the south-facing side of the roof. The electrical house needs no other energy sources except electricity and fresh water. In the summertime, the heating system is not in operation. The ventilation system, the hot water system, and perhaps an electric car may be the only things consuming energy. Once the electric car is fully charged, the surplus electricity produced by the solar cells is automatically sold to the electricity grid. When this happens, the electricity meter, in principle, runs backwards. Only when the clouds appear and the ambient temperature drops will the heating system start using the electricity produced by the solar cells. When the sky is overcast, or during the night or in the winter, there will be a need for electricity from the grid. Over the course of the year, however, 2/3 of the electricity used for heating the house is generated by the solar cells. The remaining third needed from the grid can primarily be used during low tariff periods or during high wind power production.